Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this video I teach you how to start online business, how to find best online business for beginners. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. So now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome, search the how to start online business for beginners. You will see the different result related to this search. We can check one by one. So first of all, how do I start a small online business? How to start your online business in 10 steps. Determine your niche and business idea. Conduct products research. Learn about online business laws. Conduct market research. Define your target audience. Source product to sell online. Evaluate product visibility. Which online business is best for beginners? 20 best online business ideas for beginners in 2022. Virtual online training. Become a freelance app developers, designers, freelance graphic designer, writers, dig graph sellers, affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate. Influencers, social media management, niche market retailers. What business should I start as a beginners? Here is a list of profitable small business ideas for beginners: virtual assistant, e-commerce store, start a blog, dropshipping, catering service, party services, daycare services, t-shirt printing business. What business can I start with internet? We have compiled a series of profitable need-based business with minimal startup costs that you can start as soon as possible: SEO consultant, small business consultant, social media consultant, niche market, e-commerce retailers, web designers or web developers, blogger, virtual assistant, affiliate marketing. How can I sell online? How to sell online. Decide which product to sell. Establish your target audience. Perform market research. Choose your sales channels. Create an online store. Set up payment processing. Choose your shipping methods. Promote your products. How do I start a business with nothing? Here is the list how to start a startup. You can check every question and learn as much as you can and get benefit from it. So now our topic is end. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.